guys, so kids are going to have career day in school. Yo, I have to scream again cause via music, cause Joseph keep still. So damn. Yeah man. No chance, no chance. Yeah guys, so I tried to tell you that kids are going to have careers day. In Russia we call it orientation day. So they need the uniform. Any uniform. Yes, they choose, we're gonna buy. Danny, Leo, who you want to be when you grow up? Yeah, choose, pick up something. No, pick no military. No, I'm gonna work with it. No pick no military. He was choose something else. No military. Pick up doctor. Doctor, you have to pick. Lionel, возьми доктора. Doctor.
I want to pick that one.
This soldier?
Yeah, I want to pick the police.
Police. No, police, I really like it when I pick up doctor. Lionel, доктором будешь? Leo, pilot. Leo, see, one time you wanted to be a pilot. Смотри, oh, judge. You want to be a judge? It's a good choice as well. See, you can be a judge. Leo the judge. Judge Leo. Нет? Pilot Leo. Pilot Leo? Then he's going to be a police?
I'm going to be the police.
Man.
So, yes, soldier?
That's it? That's it? What they picked? Soldier. What?
This is not even real. I want to pick this one.
It's pilot uniform. Nobody doesn't want to be a cook.
The soldier too.
Oh my god, 2 soldiers. And they have a lot of stuff for newborn. I probably have to check out something. Era, they have nice stuff for newborn. What me probably are gonna... Yeah, no problem. Yeah. They have a lot of stuff for newborn, but I have saved some things from my boys. Yeah, so some things, some, not a lot. So I still have to buy some stuff. Yeah, and some items from Baby Registry too helped me a lot, contributed, and I don't know, really in need of a lot of stuff. And a lot of people were asking me, Swaggy, what's up with the baby crib? I am planning to sleep with the baby because I am not gonna have energy to get up every 2 hours. Yes, I'm a lazy mom. I'm gonna be sleeping with my newborn. I'm just gonna put borders. We need borders. That's the only thing we need so the baby does not drop. Yes, maybe something like that I'm gonna work with. Yeah, cause crib, you know, they're very expensive, and like I know for myself I'm not gonna be using it. Yeah, they have a pretty nice section with newborn clothes. Yes, and they're not really expensive, you know. 600, not bad. So right now I know the gender, so I might pick up 2 little cute stuffs. This one more like for boys. Maybe I'm gonna pick up some nice little things. Just a little, cause you know 0-3 months does not last long. So maybe even if I'll pick up something from 3 to 6 better. Like this one, even though it's blue, but I like Carter's Junior, 100% cotton. I like the material nice. What's the price for one? What's the price for one? 400. Not bad at all. But it's blue, but I like it. So I might take it. Swaggy, close your eyes. They have a lot of pretty things, but you know, girl, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. Oh, so cute. Wow, this one. I love it. Yeah, so far I picked like 1, 2, 3, 4 bodysuits from 3 to 6 months. Yeah, bodysuits is a must, especially in Jamaica where it's so hot. And I love the teen cotton. You know, teen cotton. That is it. That is what I was looking for. I like the design. This one, little bit boyish, but you know, I like it. So colorful, yeah. And girly. And this one both can rock. But I like it. I like the design. So I'm going to grab it. Yes, 4 of them. But what I am not going to buy this time, I am not going to buy caps. Like hats, baby hats, because they did not work for me completely, so I am going to leave it alone. Need some little shorts, even though I don't know if 102, but I even know, you know, Jamaica well hot. Should I even grab shorts? I like this one. This t-shirt looks nice. Alright guys, Errol is rushing me. Wagwan. Ready to wrap up? Alright, I'm gonna come next time probably and check it out again, cause yeah, you kind of mash up in nice shopping, baby shopping.
What have you eaten in November? Some more pink girls clothes.
Yeah, I know, but you're rushing me like you're saying swaggy. Let's go. Yeah, see then. Yeah.
Leo,
so
we
have to go. Errol has academy full of things to do. Guys, they opened new bubble tea store and I want some. Yeah, they have a bubble tea. I really love bubble tea. That's what I used to buy back in Vietnam when we used to live. It just brings so much memories. It's a Chinese bubble tea store, yeah. Chinese bubble tea store.
Yeah, the panda.
Errol does not drink this thing. Errol does not understand it. Like, he's like, swaggy, that's nasty. You drink some sweet tea with the bubbles, like balls. So we're gonna check out bubble tea. Alright. Hello, thank you.
That's it.
So those are the prices. Medium, large, not really that far. $500 it says. Yeah, white rabbit milk tea. We'll take it.
Okay, so you want white rabbit milk tea with boba?
With what?
Boba.
With boba, yeah man. With the balls them.
You want the medium?
No, I want a large one. Alright guys, so I paid 600 Jamaican for a big drink. Alright. Hey Leo! Boys couldn't find parking space. Thank you. It's there, see? They're selling it. Bubble tea is there, see? They're making it. Yeah? They're making bubble tea, but yeah, they don't have card machine yet. So,
No social media for them.
yeah, no social media. That's what I was saying. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Daddy's Plaza kind of hard to find parking space. Parking space small. So Champions Plaza, guys, in Ocherias. You know Champion Supermarket, that's how we did. That's where we are. I'm not sure if like somebody else gonna take my order, cause sounds like Jamaican people don't really want to drink it with tapioca. Be a smoothie the mother. Same Errol said to me. Errol, you want some tapioca? Try. What if you like it? Ah, thank you. Thank you. See, Errol? No, I want to try it here. We don't have time.
You have bubbles, but mommy not try it. They jump up already. Complain.
You know me already. This is so good.
Bubble tea.
No, I'm not
Just try it, no? They did not put a lot of bubbles, so you might not get bubbles in your sip. You say it's done?
It's like tin water.
Yeah. Like, give me back my thing. Then you liked it. Alright, let's go. Wait for me. Make me pack up. Watch out. No, you have manners at all. Just run, left me. Why are you running? Why are you running? Hey guys, and by the way, this is a tapioca ball. That's what most Jamaican people in the store did not want to put in their drink. But me like it. It is chewy. It is chewy and has no taste to it. It's just chewy. Just like you chew on something and drink. Has no taste. Одеваешься? Ты тоже, да, будешь военным? Boys choose to be soldiers. We made a quick stop at the Jerk Center, Ocheria's Jerk Center, before football training. Yes, so gonna grab some food. Errol ordered some jerk chicken with nothing. Errol is on the diet, no unnecessary carbs. Me, the love of my life, fried bummy. Pork, some nice jerk pork, and some ribs. Kids are eating nuggets and fries. Yeah, a drink will soon arrive. So yeah, you can call it a Mother's Day treat too as well. So that's why we were so in the rush earlier, because we had to be on time for the soccer training. Errol Stevens Academy up and running. Yes, it's about to start. Yeah.
Come, Kathy, go, man.
I'm gonna show you a little bit the game. Yes, Jameson! Leo, go! Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm saying. That's my boy Daniel. Good job, Danny!
Sway, look at the field. Big. If you see Kyle with the ball, Matthew, find a space in front of you where you can pass it to you. Matthew, when you get the ball, you have to know where Peter is. Peter is the striker, Matthew. You have to know where Peter is. So when you're going for the ball from Kyle, look, you look over your shoulder, where's Peter? Alright, he's right here. So that means when you get the ball, you know where you're going, right? Blue team, Lionel, same. Phoenix, same. When you get the ball, there's Jameson. There's Farah. You have to know where they are. Every time you're playing, alright, you do have the ball, you look, where's my striker?
Me and Farrah are strikers?
No, Farah is a midfielder. You're the striker. So guys, Lionel just the same. Before you get the ball, know where your teammate is. Listen, if your teammate have the ball, look, I'm on Lionel's team. Look, Lionel, get up. Lionel don't need to come for me to the ball. What does Lionel need to do? I have the ball, Lionel needs to go in the space. Look, go Lionel. Go. Goes in the space. Look, I can pass it to Lionel. Look. No, keep the ball. Keep it. Look, stop. Lionel get it. Look, guys. I don't need to go back to Lionel. What am I going to do? I'm going to go this place away from Lionel. What? Fast. See that? And Lionel can move again into the space, move again. And then I pass it to him. Hey, you guys have to pay attention. Football is just like school. You have to learn.
Guys, do you remember yesterday we bought kids career day costumes? So they came with a lot of stuff. What? America too. Wow, what a nice husband. No sir. Wait, me not hold it now. What? Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, that's so nice. Wait. I'm just make video. Just make video. Thank you very much.
Garbage.
Wow. I had to break them. You know why? Because they came with a lot of violent stuff, like knife, the grenade, and look at him belly. Look at him belly good. Look at his belly. Look at his belly.
Daddy, that's
See? That's how they play with it.
It's a red marker. Look.
No, it can't be a red. Wait. Let me see something.
Daddy.
Of a throwing a red marker. Yes, but it done gone in the garbage. Sorry, youths. But better safe than sorry, for real. I just don't feel comfortable my kids playing with it. I don't feel bad because they were really kind of sharp, even though they're made from plastic. But you don't know. Like, I'm around for it. I'm around for it. I'm not around for it. I feel around for it. Come on, I want them to play with them something.
Some of the was non-violent way too. But then we don't want to know it's very sharp.
I don't want. This is sharp because look at this.
It can hurt somebody.
Exactly. What if they're gonna try to take it to a school? This is not good at all. Other kids can be involved. So what am I gonna do? No, I don't like it. Throw it away. You open it? Or you open it? You have plans? I know you have great plans on my sweets. No, Errol, don't give him Gatorade. Save it for little later for football training. Not football training, today football competition again. And you had to say Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Today is a Mother's Day. Mother's Day. And what you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna get the ball.
Okay, this. Yeah? Acha. You're too uptone. That's what you love.
Oh, I don't want to get on this one.
Alright. Nice.
What's this?
This is a set, perfume set.
It's too heavy.
Wow. That's so nice.
Smells good.
This is a face care.
Mama,
Nice.
look at this.
It's a mask. Essence mask for a face. Nice. That's what I like. I use it. Thank you, Errol. I really really love the gift. Huh?
Happy Mother's Day.
You see what your son said? Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yeah, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Yes. Keep doing great work. Soldier Daniel, ready?
Carry date. No, like, to the carry date, carry date. Hey, beautiful. Your friends, how your friends gonna know you're a soldier?
But you need it. You need to protect your head.
Remember you're a soldier? Alright. I'm gonna let Leo take a picture of you that you take it off, alright? Look at you ready, sir. Leo, come on, get ready. Finish eat so you can dress you up.
Food is good so your belly don't dig you when you're at school.
It makes you too late.
And then you'll cry if you don't eat like last time.
You eat, man.
Yeah,
The ants are marching one by one.
that's only when I was sick.
The ants are marching one by one. Ants are marching two by two. The little one went to carry.
What's in his pockets? Show me your pockets.
What's in the pocket? It's
job.
grenade. The throw and who you gonna throw this? Wait, nobody no grenade no. Don't throw it on anybody, okay?
Dangerous boy, Daniel.
Use the walkie-talkie. Let's call Leo. So you can-
Mommy, bro.
Hey Leo, hurry up and
You
eat,
don't
man.
need knife.
Hurry up and eat your breakfast. You're slow like a baby.
But Daniel is slow like a baby because mommy always feed him.
Yeah? Yeah, big 5-year-old baby.
When Daniel is playing like a switch.
You see, I saved us stress as well. Because, you know, they would start cry if you would tell them, like, you can't take knife today.
So you're emotional.
Yeah. Saved us stress today. But yesterday it was stress.
Yeah, your mother's big gift to tell you peace.
Yeah.
Man doesn't cry. What? This man's mother carry beatrice.
Yeah. Exactly. Well, macaroni wanted to go with it. Wanted to go with the knife. No, so I think you're a big man. Leo, no что?
Yeah, давай.
Лео,
Yeah, yes.
давай кушай. Давай пойдем зубы чистить и одеваться тоже пойдем. Давай. Больше не хочешь? Ну, ты ничего не поел. You didn't really
I don't know if
eat.
you need no more. Come, let's go.
He didn't even eat.
Enough left?
Mhm.
You full? Thank you.
I'm doing fry. I go buy Nesquik and give with milk and that always the money night.
Breakfast if he does.
Don't forget your lunch.
Я вот так пишёт, yeah.
Лео, Дани, ланч возьми свой. Даниэль, ты не будешь свой ланч брать? Ланч. Все, пока-пока. Danny's kissing Billy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hey, Leo.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Danny.
Love you.
Love you too. Leo, пока.
Come,